Hi there guys, so today I've got a special unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max 512 gigabytes in the colour Midnight Green. So this literally got delivered at 10 AM this morning on the release date of 20th of September 2019. I've been at work literally all day, finished at 5 PM, so I'm finally home and I can finally unbox the new iPhone. So just to show you around the box, as you can see, the box this year is black with the green phone on the top. So it just says iPhone either side, Apple symbol, the usual. And then underneath, it just says 512 gigs, includes iPhone 11 Pro Max, earpods with lightning connector, USB-C to lightning cable and USB-C power adapter. So this does actually have the fast charging, which I believe is 18 watts for that one. So it does really fast charging. Now let's just skip the boring bit and get to the actual unboxing itself. Just take that off. So this is the bit. So this time it's presented with the back of the phone first. As you can see, that's the new, really nice green colour, the Midnight Green. Let's have a look at that. And it is a very nice colour. There's no actual protector on the back this time. So that's the actual glass. It doesn't feel like glass though, it feels more like metal, like the iPhone 7 more or less. But yeah, that's the back of the handset. And then just pulling it up. So it's very, very similar to the Apple iPhone XS Max, apart from, well, this new green colour. And of course the camera at the back. The Apple logo has now shifted to the centre of the phone and there's no longer the text down there. In the UK, we do have to have these labels still there. That's just to do with the UK at the minute. But yeah, that's kind of a little design change there. In terms of the front of the device, if you were to see that compared to the XS Max, you probably wouldn't be able to tell a difference, just because it is the same size notch, everything like that. So taking a further look into the box, what do we have here? So as usual, designed by Apple in California. So in there you get your welcome guide, tells you how to use the phone. You also get the handy SIM eject tool, so you can take your SIM card out of the current phone and put it in the new one. Additionally, you also get the warranty information and of course the Apple stickers there as well. Moving further into the box, you get the earpods, which are just there. This is going to be interesting because I think the charger is a bit similar to what you get on the Apple Watch, which is one that kind of, you can pull it out like that. So it's kind of like a three-way kind of, this is a UK plug by the way, because I'm in the UK. Then we get the USB-C to lightning cable, which does enable the fast charging on this device, which is a very welcomed addition to the iPhone Pro series in terms of that one. And that's literally everything in the box. I'm just going to give you a better look at the handset and I'm going to peel off that protective coating on the front. Right, so this is the bit that everyone seems to like. I'm just going to take the protective film off the front. There isn't one on the back actually. But there is one on the front, so I'm just going to remove that. And there we go. And yeah, I really like the green. It's very subtle. To be fair, from some angles you could look at it and you'd probably think it was just a black handset. So on the sides it does look pretty dark, to be honest. But on the back, you can certainly tell that it's that, the green colour. Actually on the back, like I said before, you can't really tell that it's glass, even though it is. It feels more like sort of metal, to be honest. Certainly glass though for that one. So literally, that is everything for this video. It was just a quick unboxing of the handset and a little look around the device. If you want any content in the future and you want to kind of suggest anything, just leave that in the comments down below. Furthermore, if you want to see any more sort of Apple content from me, I am unboxing the iPhone 11 64 gigs in white sometime soon. I'm probably doing a different video on this as well. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel and click the bell icon as well, just to keep up to date with any videos that I do post. So that's everything for this quick unboxing video. Yeah, cheers for watching.